This is D. Adams with the E-mini Trading Professor System. The title of today's video, is it today or yesterday? If you look at both the charts, they're absolutely identical, or very close to identical. Pretty interesting stuff. Of course, we want you to make sure you read our required disclaimer, as there are important and pertinent pieces of information contained in it. Well, here's today's chart. This is a YM chart, by the way, today. I traded the YM, and I was pretty careful. One of the guys I was mentoring pointed out that in one of our mentoring sessions that, I've been trading a long time, so I use a lot of different setups sometimes, and I was using some of those, and he kind of said, "Hey, that's not in your system." So I tried to be very, very careful today and trade exactly the way my system works. So the markets fell out of bed, and this isn't part of the system, but the first trade I made, I just jumped in and rode this for a while. That's a fairly typical trade for me. Then I had a long, and it was pretty, you can see it's a pretty good setup for it. And you can see by about here, I'm starting to realize, even though there's a lot of long and shorts, that the trend is up. And so I kind of committed myself to just longs, and I had 1, 2, 3 in a row, and that's all I traded today. I stopped after this trade. There were two that I feel like I probably would have taken, this one right here and this one right here. However, I didn't trade this afternoon. I was on a conference call all day. But again, this market was trending upwards, and I really felt like I was just going to commit to the long. I probably missed out on a good trade right here. I didn't take it, and I was really debating it. I was a little confused by this up there. I didn't take it, and there were indicators that I should take it, although it didn't really pierce the line and kind of laid on it. So I tried to trade the system very strictly today, so that you'd get a good idea of exactly. It does produce really, really good trades. And so, Jeff, this one's for you, buddy. These trades both would have been good ones had I been there. I had to do some other things, which were not nearly exciting, by the way, as trading, to be honest with you. So there you have it. All in all, it was a good day to trade. Actually, these two, if you were trading, these two trades probably would have been the icing on the cake. They would have been wonderful trades. A lot of movement. I don't know if you've noticed over the course of the last couple days, we've gotten to the same pattern of traders accumulating in the morning and distributing those shares in the afternoon. It'd be kind of interesting to look at the commitment of traders reports and see exactly who's doing all the buying and selling. I really don't know whether it's commercials or large traders or small traders. But this is a pattern we've seen most of this week, is accumulations in the morning and the shares being distributed in the afternoon. Okay, that's it for the chart. And have a great day. Well, the market's really been providing a lot of trading opportunities the last couple of days, so I hope some of you have gotten some demo accounts, you can go to my blog on Learn to Trade and Invest. I got some. It shows you where you can sign up for a demo account and stuff like that. They're free, and you can start practicing some of the stuff. Again, we're at Learn to Trade and Invest with all those hyphens in there. These videos, of course, are free every night, so it's easy to sign up for them and get a little insight into at least how I traded and how the system basically works. Hope that helps. Have a great day.